Every day, your brain is either getting stronger or getting weaker. And the scary part is, most people don't even notice it happening. It's not because they were born unintelligent. It's because of small daily habits repeated over and over again. Your focus gets weaker, your memory slows down, and your mind becomes addicted to distractions. Before these habits completely take control of your brain, here are the biggest reasons your IQ feels low. 1. Social media is destroying your brain. Every time you endlessly scroll through short videos, your brain gets used to instant entertainment. Over time, your attention span becomes shorter, and focusing on books, studying, or deep thinking starts to feel boring. Your brain begins craving constant stimulation, making it harder to concentrate on anything important. The more distracted your mind becomes, the harder it is to think clearly. And without focus, intelligence becomes weaker. 2. Lack of sleep makes you mentally weak. A lot of people brag about sleeping only 4 or 5 hours a night, but lack of sleep seriously damages your brain. Sleep is when your brain repairs itself, stores memories, and resets your mental energy. Without enough rest, your reaction time slows down, your memory gets worse, and even simple tasks become harder. A tired brain can't think clearly or make smart decisions. That's why highly successful people take sleep seriously. 3. Multitasking is killing your focus. Most people think multitasking makes them more productive, but it actually destroys concentration. Switching between messages, videos, apps, and work forces your brain to constantly reset its attention. This weakens your ability to focus deeply on one thing for a long time. And deep focus is one of the most important skills for becoming smarter. The more distracted your brain is, the harder learning becomes. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.